I felt this question quite interesting. The question is what? 3 sin A plus 4 cos A equal to 4. Find the value of 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Now, one thing to be noted that 3 sin A has become 4 sin A in the value finding part, and 4 cos A has become 3 cos A. So, how can I do this sum? The thing is that given part 3 sin A plus 4 cos A equals 4. If I square both sides, I'll get 9 sin square A plus 16 cos square A plus 2 into 3 sin A times 4 cos A equal to 16. Okay. So what I have done, I have applied the formula A plus B whole square in the left hand side, and in the right hand side simply whole square of the number. So if I arrange this one, I will get this as 9 sin square A plus 16 cos square A plus 24 sin A cos A equal to 16. Now, if I want to bring that 4 sin A, so what can I do? I have to change that sin square A into 1 minus cos square A. Why? Because 9 cos square A or 3 cos A is the required part. Okay. So, what I am doing? I am changing this sin square A as 1 minus cos square A plus 16 times 1 minus sin square A plus 24 sin A cos A equal to 16, squaring both sides. Okay. So, if I calculate this one, it will be 9 minus 9 cos square A plus 16 minus 16 sin square A plus 24 sin A cos A as it was before, which is equal to 16 again. So, if I follow the next step, it will be 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25, minus with outside within bracket I can take 9 cos square A plus 16 sin square A minus 24 sin A cos A. What has happened? Since I have taken minus outside, the sign of all the terms has changed, which is equal to 16. So, the next step is what? 25 minus 16. From where is this minus 16 coming? This is coming from the right hand side. 25 minus 16 equal to, I am putting this bracketed portion to the right side, which will make it as 9 cos square A plus 16 sin square A minus 24 sin A cos A. Now this is what? This is a whole square of 3 cos A minus 4 sin A, which is actually asked for. This is the value required. Okay, so this is what? 9 equal to 3 cos A minus 4 sin A whole square. Now, what will be then 3 cos A minus 4 sin A? This is equal to 9, and this is equal to root over 3 cos A minus 4 sin A equals to root over 9, that is equal to plus minus 3. Okay, this is equal to plus minus 3. Now, the question is what? 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. So, we can change the sign like that. Accordingly, we can change the sign. I haven't done this, but you can think of it in that way. We can take a minus common from both sides, and we can say that 4 sin A minus 3 cos A equal to plus minus 3. If you like this, if you feel that you are getting information, you are getting new sums from the video, please follow my page. Thank you.